Hi you guys, this is Kiki, owner of Egyptian E Collection, and we're back with another video. Today's video is a tip and advice on how to start a business. I have my iPad with the notes, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna prop my mic up right here. I just don't stay how I want it to stay. So let me prop it up here. Okay. So, tips. I wrote like a little sidebar tips on what to do and not to do. Sorry you guys, but I really was supposed to start this video way ahead of time, but I had got tired. I was doing my hair and I had got tired from doing my hair. I ate good, so pretty much going off some sleep. Okay, step one is find your niche. What is a niche? A niche is a comfortable, suitable position in life or employment. So basically, in your business, when you're starting your business, you need to find out what is your niche. What is what you're going to do in your business, or what your whole business about, basically. Step number two, come up with a business plan. What's a business plan? A business plan is a document setting out a business, future objectives, and strategies for achieving them. So when you start out your business, you want to set up a business plan. You want to set up what goals you're trying to reach in your business, what you're trying to achieve in your business, what's the whole thing about your business, and what's the plan from there, from long term to short terms type thing. Step three, find what you love to do or things you look up on YouTube. And I put example like meaning lip gloss business, body butter, sugar scrub, lotion, hair products, soap business, etc. So you want to find out what you want to do, what you love to do. Like for me, sorry y'all, it's like a bunch of stuff on this floor. For me, I had been wanting to start my own cosmetic, so I came up with a lip gloss business. From then point in there, I was feeling the lip gloss, but then like I won't feeling it no more. So I want to know, I want to do what I really love to do. And for me, I care more about my skin. I have acne all over my face. So I'm just like, okay, so what can I do to clear up my acne? Clear up these dark spots? Like what stuff can I do? I have yet to figure that out, but I am in the skincare business, y'all. So I'm working with body butters, sugar scrubs, body oils, perfume oils, and I'm loving it so far. Okay. Step 4. After you know what you want to do, design your logo. Let me tell y'all, Canvas is your best friend. Okay. Canvas is what's going to help you design your logos, anything. Canva's your best friend. Get with Canva. Download the app. Stop playing with Canva. Okay. Step 5, products. Where to go? If you're starting your business, Amazon is your best friend for any business type. You can go in the search bar, type in containers for body butters, or containers for, or bottles for lotions, and they will have it. Add to cart, pay for it, start your business there. Buy the oils, buy the lotion base, buy the scents. Start from there, color, all that. Start, okay. And Micah, I gotta put the website. I gotta think of the website name, but Micah too. They have good Micah for cosmetic. You want to get cosmetic stuff for any of these things that you're doing. You don't want to get regular Mecca, because it's not going to be the best picture. So get the cosmetic brand Micah. If you're starting a lip gloss or a skincare business, TKB Trading is your best friend. I recently just found out TKB Trading has shea butter. So I just gave y'all a tip. I just gave y'all a gem. TKB Trading has shea butter. Go with the underfine. Don't go with the refine, because refine has a scent. Go with the underfine. you won't have skin at all. It's like a soft texture, which meaning my body butters is just doing it. Avery for your labels. So Avery is your best friend too. I have Avery. I buy like the Avery packets, and all I have to do is type in the numbers and on the Avery website, and it just pull it up, and I can print my designs myself. Avery's your best friend. Number 6, website. Now you have your products labels. Now it's time for your website. And I did put a tip on what not to do. Do not, and I repeat, do not do Cash App for orders. That's a big no. Don't put in your bio Cash App. Have a website in your bio. Don't do that. That's a scam. That's literally scam alerts for any buyer. Cash App. Where's your website? What am I looking at? How I know I'm gonna get an order? How I know I'm gonna what I'm trying to say? How am I going to know if my order has been shipped? You're just saying Cash App and you're gonna send me pictures and no. Do a website. Pay for that website. Big Cartel. Big Cartel does it for free. Get get a website and just start your 5 products until you can make your money up to buy more space. Big Cartel is gonna be your number priority. Okay, do a website. Number 7 is the big major thing, marketing. So okay, so now we have our niche. Now we know what we want to do. Now we have our products. Now we made our products. Now we have our logos. Now we have our website. So all it comes down to is promoting. And where we want to promote, if you have an IG and you have a personal IG, make a business page IG. Separate those two. If you have a personal TikTok, make a TikTok business page. Separate the two and start your promotion from there. Number 8 is promotion. You want to post on IG. You want to post reels. I really found out reels are really like going up. It's setting my account some numbers. And you want to post. I have like 500 posts. Before then, I had less posts, and I was just figuring out like why I'm not moving as much. You want to post more. You want to post like 2 or 3 times a day on IG and TikTok. You want to keep posting, y'all. Number 9 is these are just tips and advice that I learned and to do it up to these are just tips and advice that I learned. It's up to you on how much you put in the work. Okay. So you're looking at my video and you'll be like, okay, she said this, da. These are just my advice to you is to put in the work. I gave you gems on where to start, and I gave you knowledge on where to go to find your stuff and to like what certain things you may not understand. And if you have any questions, you can comment on this video below. And yeah, y'all. And the last thing, never to give up on what you dream career or your goals. Never give up. Don't give up on your business. Just keep striving. Don't give up. I can tell you how much I was irritated because I did not know what to do with marketing. I was so bad at marketing, but I'm recently now just picking it up and I'm trying to master it. And another thing, y'all, your girl's coming out with a digital product. So I'm gonna show y'all one digital product. It's an inventory sheet. You can see that. So digital products is products that you do not have to ship out. You can just put the link up there. They can pay it and download it, and they go about your way. You have nothing else to do. No shipping, no packing, all that. So coming soon, I'm going to drop a whole bunch of additional products. If y'all want to purchase one I have now, it's going to be dropped. I think I'm going to change the drop date on it because it's too far for me to drop it. So follow me on my IG. It's going to be linked below. where you can find updates on when I'm dropping my first digital product. It's a successful planner, and where you just can organize your whole life. It has a bunch of stuff. Even has calendars where you want to keep up, all that. Okay, you guys. Your girl's out. Your girl's tired. And I will be back with another video. Bye.